In 1863, two companies started building a railroad toward each other, from opposite ends of the country, with no idea exactly where they'd meet. 6 years, 1,900 miles, and thousands of lives later, they found out. From the west, the Central Pacific faced the hardest ground first, straight into the Sierra Nevada. Chinese immigrant laborers, thousands of them, blasted 15 tunnels through solid granite, often hanging from cliffs in woven baskets, working through winters that buried entire camps in snow. From the east, the Union Pacific had it easier. Flat plains, fast progress, but their own dangers. Irish and Civil War veteran crews laying track through brutal heat, sudden storms, and land that wasn't exactly empty. Entire boomtowns sprang up overnight, then vanished just as fast as the railhead kept moving. Congress paid each company by the mile, so the two crews weren't just building a railroad anymore. They were racing. At one point, competing crews graded parallel lines past each other, refusing to stop until Congress finally forced them to pick one meeting point. May 10th, 1869. Promontory Summit, Utah. A crowd gathered as officials drove a ceremonial golden spike into the final tie, and for the first time, you could travel from New York to San Francisco in days, not months. The telegraph operator sent one word to the entire country: done. A trip that once took 6 months by wagon now took about a week. It reshaped how America moved, traded, and thought about distance itself, and it did it in just 6 years. 2 railroads, 1 finish line, and a country that got a lot smaller overnight.